For cauliflower lentil, first dry roast the moong dal. Dry roast until golden. After 2-3 minutes, turn the heat off. Now wash and boil it. Next, fry the cauliflower florets lightly. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and salt. When florets are lightly fried, keep them aside. Lentils have been boiled. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add dried red chilies and a pinch of cumin. After a few seconds, add the boiled lentil. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder. Now pour some water. Season with salt. You can add sugar if you like. Then add few green chilies. Now mix the florets with the lentil. Bring to the boil. Now keep on low heat and cook until the cauliflower florets are just tender. Lentil is ready. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Enjoy Gobi Daal. Thank you for watching.